Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to pay for Apple Music with Apple gift card. So let's get into the video. So if you open up your Apple Music and if you want to make the subscription or payment using your gift card, so what you can do is simply add your gift card to your Apple ID. So to do that, you can simply hit on your account here. So when you click on your account option here, there's an option called redeem gift card. Simply select that. So simply select the redeem gift card option, and then what you're going to do now is you're going to either use your camera and take a photo of your gift card, your Apple gift card, or you can just enter your card manually. So just enter your card details manually and then hit on the redeem option. So that will add your balance to your Apple ID, and then once that's done, so now you can simply go to Apple Music and make any purchase using your Apple ID. So just whatever you wish to purchase, you can just use that. So your payment will be used from your Apple ID balance, which has been topped up with your Apple gift card. So that's how you can use your Apple gift card to pay for Apple Music. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.